Very good morning to all. Previous topic we have already discussed about the charts, bar chart, pie chart and the box chart. Now we'll continue with the some charts again. So bar chart creating a horizontal bar chart also create a horizontal bar. How to create? See here, creating a horizontal bar. So from matplotlib, see, you can directly import, you can write a import keyword. Also, you can write a from keyword. From is a keyword. From Python library, we are importing a matplotlib. From matplotlib, we are importing pyplot. We are importing pyplot as a p. Pyplot, instead of writing a pyplot, we'll write a p as a pyplot. So here I am using function. Def is a keyword. What is def here? It is a keyword. It is graph underscore demo. This is nothing but you can write any name here. It is a function name. It is not a keyword. Graph underscore demo. This is a user defined function name. If you are creating a function, then here you have to enclose in a normal bracket followed by the colon. So this is declaration of function. This line is called declaration of functions. Inside this all statement I am writing here. Here I have written a cities equal Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and you can write all these here. Then population, you can write a population full. Popul, I have written these values separated with the comma. These value all you have to separate it with the comma. Any population of the country you can write here. Here I am using p dot. What is p? It is a pyplot. P dot birth. What I am writing? This variable which holding the all the cities comma population you can write comma color equal m. I am writing population as a color. I am giving here maroon, and p dot y label. Y label means in the bottom side it will display the cities, and p dot x label, that population will be display in this way. And you can also write a label title. So title is not written, you can write a p dot title. Also you can give the title of that particular bar. Now I have to display. For displaying, what I'll do? P dot show. This will show the whatever you are doing. This is related to cities and population will be display in a, that is a horizontal bar. Horizontal bar will be display. So these x label, y label and x label. Y label display the bottom, that is a horizontal side, and x label will be vertical. So you can see here figure there is a no title, that's why title is not displaying here. You can write a p dot title name, you can write over there. See all the countries cities is a display here. So these are a values with the horizontal. Population is written here and cities are written like this. So this horizontal bar chart you can create. See, you can write in a few lines, you can create a graph. Now this is also another example of creating a horizontal bar. Import matplotlib. Here I am writing import matplotlib dot pyplot as a plt. What is plt? This is a pyplot name. X equal, these are a different uh, items is given here. This, and energy equal, these are a values are given here. Values with the separated with the comma. and these are variance. Variance is also given here, and x underscore pos equal. What is x? This is a variable which is a holding I for I, the limit that is not given here, and in enumerate I am using enumerate of x. What is x? This is a variable. Till x it will be enumerate the value till here. These all value will be enumerate here. Now plt dot this bar, you can write a chart name x underscore pos. This you have to call here, comma energy, comma color equal green. Color code I am giving green, and this is a variance I am writing here, which is a written here x e double r. This is a holding a variance. Now plt dot y label energy source, and plt dot x label, that is a energy output gh. This is holding here. Now title is given here. Title is given energy output variance fuel sources. This will be title, and plt dot y text x underscore pos comma x. This will be, which is a holding. This is a holding here. This will be, this is a plotting here. X, what is x? X is a emulating, that will be value, this value. And now plt dot show, this will be display. See, you can view here. Graph will be green. This is a title, and this is a horizontal and vertical x level. This is a y level. This is called x level. All these coal and all oil, fuel name, all it is a given here. Now multiple bar chart also you can create. How to create multiple bar chart? Decide the number of x points. So first you have to decide the number of x points. Second, decide the thickness of the each bar, and thickness, how thick you want to create a bar, that you have to decide. Adjust x point and the on the y axis. So give different colors to the different data. Different color in a different data you can give. And range, the width argument is the sum of all the ranges and being plotted, which you want to make a width with the argument with the sum all the ranges you have to decide, and plot using bar function for each range separately. So first you have to decide all these things. Then see here, there is a program, import numpy as a np. I am importing numpy here. Import matplotlib.pyplot. I am importing from matplotlib pyplot. I am importing as a plt. N equal 5. What is n here? It is a variable which is a holding 5. Now mean underscore man underscore means, this is a variable name which is a holding these values separated with the comma. Now human underscore means, this is another variable. It is a variable, it is nothing, it is a variable. You can write any name a b c x y z equal these value holding in this. Now ind, what is ind here? This is a variable equal np dot arrange. What is arranging? This n is a arranging here. Now width equal 0.35. This is a width, thickness you can assign. Plt dot bar, in a bar what you have to do? ind. What ind is doing? It is arranging the value of n. Now comma mean underscore means, this value you have to write here for plotting, and width you have to write, width is given this one, and label equal mem. This label you have to write. Now plt dot bar ind plus width comma Human underscore means this is a variable which is holding this value, comma width. Label, you have to write a human. Now plt dot y label, that is a horizontal. Scores, it will display in a horizontal scores. Plt dot title, you can write here group and gender. This will be the title. Now plt dot x ticks, this is another plotting here, ind plus width divide by 2. Now you can write that is ind g1 g2 g3 g4 g5, these are a heading you can display over there. Plt dot legend loc dot best and plt dot show, in a last you have to write a show method. Now see, this is a multicolor, you can display. See one, this is another color, one color white, this is in between space in a white, and these multicolor man and woman. This is a scores by the group of and gender. This is a score, any score, anything, any marks you can display like this. Any population, any cases, just corona cases are going on, that you can display just like a bar. So this is another example. And import numpy as a np, import matplotlib as a pyplot. Here color I am giving here bronze, these are a array assigning the value. Silver equal, it is a assigning as a value. Gold equal np dot array. So this you have to do practical. And plt dot bar, here ind dot gold width or label, you can write a simple, these are a simple, you can write a width with the label. And ind silver, that is a silver, and that is a bronze, all color it is a given with the plt dot bar. Here it is a labeling with the these, and color you can write this, and bottom silver plus bronze, bottom it will display here bottom equal bronze. So you can write a plt, you can plotting with the width, label, color, these you have to separate with the comma. Now plt dot x thickness, int dot countries, this will be displayed. Plt dot y label, this will be medals with the horizontal, and plt x label, that will be horizontal vertical with the countries. And plt dot legend lock, then upper right, it will display the legend in the upper right. And plt dot title, title will be display, this is a title olympiad, olympics top scorer, this is a title you can write here. And here plt dot show, it will display the value all related to this. See, you can view here, this is called lock legend, this is called legend upper right, it is given in a upper right, you can view here upper right side, this is called legend gold, silver, bronze, this legend will be upper right. And these are a different color, see beautifully you can write any score of when olympics game are held in India. So you can write or you can collect the data from any data you can, from gov side you can collect the data, you can create a chart bar, anything you can create here. And multiple chart, multicolor you can create, and different, see these are a countries here showing, and these are a medals which is a displaying here. So you beautifully you can assign the value, and you can display the chart, any type of chart you can create. So do practical of this, so that your doubt will be clear. Side by side watch video carefully. You have to do practice, small codes are there, in a few code you can create a graph. So I hope you will understand this. Thank you. Take care. Be safe. Thank you.